As the dawn breaks, the sky is as yellow as hay, but on the green the only colours are blue and grey. The only sound to be heard is the praise of the wind and the bird, but the sound of peace will soon be o'er as the guns fire and the cannons roar. Then they come, wave after wave, Irishmen all, the full and the brave. As a scythe cuts through grass and weed, hunters and hunters fall down dead. Through the smoke, all that can be seen, amidst the blue, is a flag of green. Here in the new world, who would have thought the Irish against Irish stood and fought? For where their fae is our hame too, Irish us all, both grey and blue. On they charge like their feathers afore, warriors them all, for Erin's green shore. On we fight amidst the din, brother against brother, what a sin! Then came the sound that filled our hearts with fear, the sound of their steel, they must be near. We howl our grin, oh what folly, up we stand and fire in mere volley. Down they fall as the buzzards feed, their blood soaks the earth like crimson seed. At last they turn, the battle's done, but we all hae lost, naebody has won. And as the noise dies down and the smoke gies way, I can still see the green amidst the blue and the grey.